Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to your new English class. In the lesson of this week, we are going to work, as you can see here, in the cover of this presentation that we're going to review, unit number 6. I'm Miss Jocelyn Flores, and let's start with this review. So, as you can see here, that is present on your screen, we have this red circle that is talking about something that is called simple present. Okay, maybe this is going to be, I don't know, maybe familiar for you, because this is the grammatical content that we have been working on this unit, and also we have been working this grammatical content on unit number 5. So let's start. Here you have with 3 different forms to use this simple present. Let's start with the negative form. In the negative form, I have some examples that are going to be very useful to understand this tense. So let's start with the first one that says, I don't play soccer. Okay, this in Spanish will be like, yo no juego a la pelota. And here you have the short form, I don't play soccer. It's the same, but here change with a short form. Then you have, she does not like math. And in the short form, she doesn't like math because, I don't know, maybe it's too difficult to understand. For that reason is that she doesn't like math. And finally, here in the third example, we have they do not work, or in short form, they don't work. What do you have to know? You have to know that with I, you, we, and they, we are going to use these expressions, do not. But with she, he, and it, you're going to use does not or doesn't. For example, you cannot say that they doesn't like math, because these words are the unique use of the words, the subjects she, he, and it. I also cannot use she don't work, because that is wrong. I must use she doesn't work. Okay, it's very important that. And also you don't have to use the s in the action, that is the verb. For example, she doesn't likes, that is wrong. You have to extract that s and take it and throw it to the garbage. Okay, so she doesn't like math. Then we have here yes, no questions and short answers. Okay, and here you have 2 examples. As I said you before, we're going to use she, he, and it with does, and I, you, we, and they with do. So, do you like math? Yes, I do. No, I don't. This is very important. Here I don't know, maybe I eat a comma. So, do you like math? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And does she study Spanish? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. What is the thing that it's very important to know that you cannot say, for example, do you like music? Yes, I don't. That is totally wrong. You have to put a positive answer, a positive word here. A negative answer, a negative word. Also, I cannot say, no, I do. That is totally wrong. And here is the same. Does she study Spanish? Yes. She doesn't? No, bad. Or no, she does? Also wrong. You have to answer in this way. Does she study Spanish? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. And again, only with she, he, and it, you're going to use does, and with I, you, we, and they, do. Then here we have something that is called question words. Okay, what is a question word or a WH question? Are these 4 words that are going to be words that are going to use in questions, as the title says, but these kind of questions, it's going to extract information not as this kind of question that is yes or no. Okay, for example, I don't know, where do you live? I cannot say yes, no, because she or he is asking me, where do I live? What is the place? So I must say, where do you live? I live, I don't know, maybe in Santiago de Chile or in La Florida. So these 4 words are for different things. We're going to start with here, when. The word when is going to be for time. In some cases for specific times, in others no. And this in Spanish will be cuando. Then we have what time, and this is referring to a specific time. So in Spanish will be a qué hora, a qué tiempo, dependiendo del contexto obviamente. Then we have where, and it's referring to a place, always to a place. So in Spanish will be donde. And finally what, and this word, it's in Spanish, will be qué o cuál. We have a very famous question with this word, what. What's your name? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Okay, so let's continue with the presentation. As you can see here we have object pronouns. Remember that these object pronouns are something that is replacing in the sentence. We're not going to use again a subject, but we're going to referring to that subject. Okay, so as you can see here we have 2 lines. In this line we have all the subjects, and here we have all the object pronouns. You have to know that I, it's me, you, he, him, she, her, it, you again, they, them, and we, us. And finally, here we have something that is called school subjects, and this is related to your vocabulary. In the vocabulary, we were talking about this, that in Spanish will be asignaturas, okay? I am going to try to make a circle in each picture, and we're going to review the words that are related to this school subject. Let's start with this. This photograph is representative to the school subject that is called geography. Geography. Let's go with the second one. This is math. Good, excellent. And what happened here? It's related to this one, but it's not the same. This is history. Very good. And what happened here? This is drama. Very good. In Spanish, it will be like teatro. No es una asignatura, pero sí es un taller extracurricular, extra programático. Then we have here, pay attention to the flag that you have here, and I am talking a language that is related to that school subject. So this is English. Good. And here, pay attention because we have computers, some like here letters, music, like a camera. What will be this? Computer science. Very good. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. What is this? Music. Excellent. And this is easy peasy too. This is a piece of cake. This is art. Excellent. And what happened here? This is science. Very good. And finally, but not least, this is PE. Okay, boys and girls, that we already reviewed the contents of unit number 6. We are going to do some exercise on your Got It book. Okay, here you have your Got It book, and we are going to work here on page 68 with some exercise related to the unit. Okay, so remember, if you have doubts, questions, you can ask all your doubts in classes, and I hope that you understand. Okay, have a great day and see you next class. Bye bye, take care.